Hi everyone, welcome to Raising Sipho. Excuse us being on our pajamas, it's early in the morning, we just started our day, but I want to do this quick video to show you how the back support belt ended up working for us. Remember I said it didn't work, but we thought of another idea that works perfectly for Sipho. And this is just for her to remember to sit up straight. We just need something to kind of control her so we don't end up having issues in the future. So at times we put it on her so that she can sit up straight. But like a normal person, you don't always sit up straight on your chair. Sometimes you want to sit on the side or whatever. Like let's say you're sitting on the couch or whatever. So those positions are still important, but also sitting up straight for her is still important, okay? So like I showed you with the old belt that she was, I was supposed to, did you say hi? It's a hi Pela to your viewers. Eh? It's too early. So remember I showed you with the old one that we used to put it like this in front, but this one was coming up to here. So initially I thought I'm gonna take it to someone to cut it and adjust it, you know. But then I thought of an idea and I was like, no, why don't we use it exactly the way that it's meant to be used, and then see if it works for the purpose which we want it for. Because it's not really that we want to give her back support, it's more we want to give her posture, we want to help her with her posture. So I don't know if you see the difference, isn't this, guys? Hey. So this is how we are using it now, ne? It's like this. This is how it looks. Not in Belego. Those who know in Belego, the carriers, those baby carriers from Woolworths, it looks like that. Can you move? We are coming to so it goes like this. Yeah. You see now it's wet, and then it comes this way, and then there's this belt here that we can tie. Obviously our goal is not, it's not for figure, it's not like we want to support to have a figure, so we just make sure that it's not too tight here because she has to have some freedom. And then this is what we came up with, because this is supposed to go across like this on her, but when we tried that, after a while it comes up like this, and that's not safe for her. So what we came up with is, instead of that, we do this, and then you see, let me put it like this. You see there's this part of the wheelchair, so you go around it, make sure that it's not too tight, so she does have some movements there. And then you do the same. Can I have it, Sipho? Please? 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 Come on, thank you. And then you do that. You do the same this side. You're tired. I need time for a break. I'm gonna put you in bed and manje. And then, because it sticks well, you stick both the belts together. Which one goes over the other? Okay. And then, so then you have hair like this, making sure that it's not too tight. That way she can still move forward a bit if she wants to. Right now she doesn't want to because I'm moving her. She's resisting. But this is what we came up with, you guys. Obviously over time we'll be watching to see, do we feel like it works or not, if she's getting irritated with it. But for now it looks like it works for her. So we put it for like an hour, and then we take it off. We don't put it the whole day because she does need to be able to move her body and exercise the muscles on the rest of her body. So it doesn't, there are positions that she has to, we have to make sure that she is on those positions, but then at the same time she has to be able to move her body, so certain muscles on her body get used to moving, so she doesn't get stiff. So it's like, it's important for her to be in one position sometimes, but it's also important for her to be moving around. So we're trying to find that balance and help her out, because she obviously doesn't remember to do that for herself like we do. Tina, you stand up when you're tired of sitting down, you walk around, you jump around. I don't know when was the last time I jumped around, you run, whatever. But for her, like, certain things, we have to find ways to remind her to do it, and part of that is making sure that she remembers to sit up straight. Okay, so that's how this belt worked for us. Do you want to say anything? Is it working for you, Sipho? It is. Okay, good. I don't know. I think she's saying it works for her for now. Okay. Okay, let me take it out because she needs to go rest. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Say thank you so much for watching. Or you just don't care. You don't care. Whether the babuka, Nanda. Bye, guys.